Hey everybody, Beth from the Kingston home here with another quick tip for doing loop blankets, and that's how to add a new skein when the old skein is almost done. So I've been working on this blanket for a while. This is my fourth or fifth skein. I've come to the end of one and I need to add another one. So I've tried a couple different versions as I worked on the blanket. This one is by far my favorite and the easiest, so I'm going to show you. So you're just going to take your last loop and you're going to cut it open. Okay, so you've got that little extra bit of string. Then you're going to find the beginning of your new skein and you're going to cut the first loop on it open. Then you're going to take the two ends. This is so easy. I can't believe I didn't realize this before. You're going to tie them together in a knot. And you're going to tie it tight because you want, not much more distance between them. You're actually going to tie it super tight. There you go. Because you want about as much distance between these two loops as between the other loops. So if you tie these close together, then you're ready to go. So there were a couple tips about this. A couple people said that they actually tuck these ends somewhere into the blanket. I actually have, and this, like I said, I've done this a couple times on my blanket so far. I actually just cut the ends of these off, leave a little bit of room in case they pull, but then I can go and start adding my loops in, and the knot just sort of blends in with the rest of the blanket because it's so forgiving. See, now you can't even tell it's there because it's on the back, but once I do the next row of loops, it's going to cover it even more. This was just some of the suggestions were to overlap a couple rows. Some of the suggestions were just to cut it off and let it go. I found this to be easier and the most secure, but look, you can't even tell where it is. And that, my friends, is how to add a new skein to your loop blanket.